Charger bracelet, an eraser phone, and a cat ear iPod? Watch our new video to find out new ways to sneak your gadgets into school. Here at Troom School, class is starting. But Rosie is ignoring her education. She's preparing for her solo debut and needs to rehearse all the time. You can't get a Grammy by going to class every day. We have a new teacher today, Miss Olivia Cactus. She criticizes her student for being distracted. Rosie doesn't understand, but her classmates have a lot of experience with this sort of thing. They know how to survive a boring class and offer a secret device to Rosie. Sneak in headphones with a regular pencil sharpener. Cut a double pencil sharpener apart with a heated knife. Cut out one sharpener. Sharpen a pencil to get pencil shavings. Cover the inner walls of the container with the shavings. Use double-sided tape. String your headphones through the opening in the lid. Hide the wire in the container and close the sharpener. This conspiracy is intense. Hiding headphones with pencil shavings is something only experienced school secret agents could come up with. Rosie can keep preparing for her musical career. Rosie needs a phone charger right now. You've come to the right place. Ben has everything you could ever need hidden in the depths of his hoodie. But the teacher makes Ben nervous and he has to close down the shop. He manages to give Rosie a useful pencil case anyway. Decorate a pencil case with flowers. Hot glue 2 loops out of elastic bands. And attach them inside the pencil case closer to the side wall. Insert a portable charger into the loops. Mark a rectangle for a USB cable on the side. Cut out an opening. Plug the charger cable into the power bank. At first glance, you'd never be able to tell that there's a portable charger in this pencil case, but it really works. How clever! The teacher won't suspect a thing. Rosie found the power bank. Now all she needs is a power cord. Chill out, babe. Stevie's got you. He has a USB cable up his sleeve. Wrap a USB cable in shiny wire ribbon. Put a bracelet charm onto a decorative twist tie. And attach it to the center of the cable. Coat the plastic parts of the cable with acrylic paint. Use thin wire to attach bracelet clasps onto the ends. My goodness! This gadget accessory looks more like a fashion accessory. Rosie's never charged her phone using a bracelet before. The best part is, the teacher has nothing to criticize. Oops! Looks like Rosie's in trouble. You can't just have your phone out in the middle of class like that. Yeah, it's obvious that Rosie hasn't survived any school battles yet. She has no idea how to hide her phone in class. Unlike Ben, the guru of gadget camouflage. He's always got his phone ready to go thanks to his super slider. Roll out polymer clay into a thin layer. Cut out a square with sides 3 inches long. Use the rest of the clay to make 2 rectangular blocks. Poke 2 rings in each one using a straw. Make openings in the smaller block with a straw as well. Roll up the 2 opposite ends of the square. Bake all the pieces in an oven according to the package instructions. Color 2 metal tubes 8.5 inches long with blue spray paint. Cut out 4 strips out of foam rubber sheets, each 3/4 of an inch wide. Put 2 half rings on a strip. and glue the edges together. Make 2 pieces like that. Color the hardened clay pieces with acrylic paint. Glue a platform together. Attach the piece with holes to the base. Glue the tubes into the block. Attach the whole piece onto them and fit the second block onto the end. Attach the foam rubber sheet straps to both blocks. Put the slider onto your arm. Ben shows off his invention. Now he's a real slider man. With this device, you can easily get out your phone and hide it again within seconds. Now you know one more spy life hack. As soon as she gets a new phone, Rosie makes the same mistake yet again. You should keep your phone in a secret case, like a big eraser. Thoroughly wrap a phone in cling film. Add building silicone to cornstarch. Quickly mix a soft mass. Add acrylic paint to color it. Sprinkle it with more cornstarch and roll it out. Cut it to be the size of a phone, with some allowance on the edges. Trace the phone with a pencil and cut out a groove for the phone and an opening for the camera. On the back of the case, use black paint to draw a label for the eraser. Insert your phone into the case. You can't tell if this is a phone or an eraser. Erase pencil marks and scroll through Instagram at the same time. Your teacher won't suspect a thing. Miss Olivia Cactus also needs her favorite tech in class. Just now, she got a very important message. Students, you solved this problem. I've got to go meet with the principal. Bad timing. The blackboard is unattended, which means now it's time for Rosie to show off her practical school survival skills. The experienced survivalist write up a simple schematic for her. Student plus phone equals school. We've been over that already. Here's a new one. How can you sneak in a flash drive? The answer is simple. Mark the size of a thin flash drive on an eraser. Cut off part of the eraser. This will be the lid. Make an opening for the flash drive. Insert it and close it with the cap. Ta-da! Both masters are pleased with their invention. A USB eraser is the perfect way to hide a flash drive. Rosie's so interested that she starts eating her lunch right away. This USB eraser makes everything clear. You can erase your notes. Professionals don't leave any traces of themselves behind. And now here's some homework for Rosie. Sneak a phone into class without getting caught. Easy! Rosie's a fast learner, and she prepared a lunchbox with a double bottom. Let's pick out 2 lunchboxes, one bigger, one smaller. Cover them with acrylic primer and color both lunchboxes with acrylic paint. Draw a little face on the lid. Put food into one lunchbox and a phone into the other. No way! This girl picks everything up on the fly. Ben and Stevie have never seen anything this impressive in their whole careers. Keep up the good work, Rosie! The teacher's been gone for a long time, and the students have tasted freedom. But here comes Miss Smith, and she's not playing around. We tidy up at the speed of light. Phew! The students are studying hard, but there's something going on with Ben's fluffy ears. Why did he turn into a cat in the middle of class? Use a template to cut 4 cat ears out of fake fur. Sew an ear together out of 2 pieces with a wire frame inside. Trim the excess wire and even out the fur. Sew the second ear part way. Leave an opening. Glue Velcro into the gap. Attach the ears onto a headband using hot glue. Insert a music player into the ear with a pocket. It turns out Ben has a good reason for wearing these cat ears. He's auditioning for the musical Cats and is listening to the soundtrack straight from his right cat ear. His friends can't figure out where the sound of music is coming from. This is Ben's new invention, a cat player. Ben's gadget is even protected on the list of endangered species. Miss Smith gave her students an assignment to do, but she's got her phone hidden in a book stand. Unscrew the phone holder from the top of a selfie stick. Tie the holder to a book stand using a twist tie. Hide your phone in the stand. What a useful idea! Right in the middle of class, Miss Smith can watch the movie 50 Shades of Physics and a few Troom videos. Now that's a dream job! Did you like our ideas for sneaking gadgets into class? Then let us know in the comments about where you'll hide your phone, headphones, and portable charger. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new school life hacks from Troom.